Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to submit assignments in Google Classroom. This one we are going to see just in 8 steps. The first one is creating a Gmail ID. Second step is installation of Google Classroom. Then the third one is joining Google Classroom. How to join. The fourth one is how to download your question paper for assignment from Google Classroom. Then the fifth one is after downloading the question paper, how to write your assignment in A4 sheet for minimum 5 pages. So after writing your answers, you have to scan and upload. So for that you need one scanning app. That's what we see in as the next one, installation of Adobe Scan. Then we are going to see how to scan and convert your answer sheets into single PDF. Then finally, how to fill the Google form and upload your PDF. And finally, submit. So, these are the 8 steps we are going to see one by one. And remember, the knowledge of these 8 steps will also help you to attend your CAT 1 exam successfully. All the Polytechnic first year diploma students are going to take up CAT 1 exam from December 1st onwards. So for that also the same procedures are followed. So please listen very carefully. First go to your mobile and the very first step we are going to do is creating a Gmail ID. Without that you cannot attend Google Classroom. You cannot download the question paper from Google Classroom. So first have a Gmail ID. If you already have, then you have to change your name as per your mark sheet, 10th mark sheet. Then you have to change your profile picture into your passport size photo. That should be there. So see here on the screen of your phone, the third one, Gmail. It may be anywhere, but here you see Gmail icon. Just click it, then it will show the mails. Then left side you see the number of accounts connected with your Gmail app will be shown. There you can select any one of your Gmail accounts. Suppose you have only one, no problem, you can select that. For example, here we are going to select the Gmail account mmsanjayvishal@gmail.com. Imagine the candidate's name, the student's name is Sanjay Vishal. So how he is going to download the question paper from Google Classroom and then write his assignment and finally submit. That's what we are going to see today. So in the settings left side, so after selecting the account, this page will appear. There the very first one is manage your Google account. Select it. After that, next to home, personal information will be there. Select personal information. Here you are going to edit your name. Your name or your father's name may be there. So if your father permits, then you can change the name. You can use the same email ID. Otherwise you have to create a new Gmail ID. There your name should be all in full caps. In the first name you have to write your full name, then in the last name you have to write your initial. Then your name will look like this here, Sanjay Vishal MM. So in this way you have to edit your name. Then you see the very first one photo, click that photo icon, then you will be able to add your passport size photo as profile photo. So as per DOT instruction, as per exam procedures, a student should uh, have her passport size photo as profile picture. So after adding your photo, it will look like this. For example, here you see the image. Then the very next thing is installation of Google Classroom. So go to Play Store, there type Google Classroom. You see the very first one is Google Classroom. Then you can click install, then it will be getting installed. After that it will show open. You open that app. So the very first page will look like this. You have to click get started. After clicking that, it will ask choose account for classroom. So here again we are going to select the same Gmail account. That's why we already told first you should have a Gmail ID. So that Gmail ID we are going to select here, mmsanjayvishal@gmail.com. Then after selecting that, at the bottom you can see it will ask create or join your first class. Here there are two options. One is for teacher and the another one is for students. So you have to click the plus symbol, then it will show create class or join class. As a student you are supposed to click join class. So after that you will ask for class code. So your teacher would have sent the code to you on WhatsApp, or to you, the teacher may have sent an email to you mentioning the class code. So you have to copy that code and paste it here like this. So after that, what will happen? You can enter the Google Classroom. You can see the assignment topic given by the teacher. Here you see new assignment, Communication English 1. So click that. Then you can download that question paper. It will look like this. The instructions are given in the question paper. So this is a question paper for assignment submission. So after downloading the question paper, you have to write minimum 5 pages. After writing your answers, you are going to scan those answer sheets. For that you need a scanning app. So I would like to suggest Adobe Scan. Go to Play Store and type Adobe. You can see here the second app is Adobe Scan. Please click it, then install. It is getting installed. Then you can open that app to scan your answer sheets. When you try to open, it will direct you to open it with a Gmail account or Google account. So sign in with Google. Click here. Again it will ask for accounts, which account you want to use. Click the same mmsanjayvishal@gmail.com as here. You have to select your Gmail account. Then it will show let's go. This screen will appear. Then it will ask you to permit. Click allow. Then the app will be ready. Now you can just keep your answer sheets on the table one by one. You can scan. Just if you touch the screen, it will automatically scan that page. After scanning one page, you can keep the next page ready and click continue. So 5 pages or 10 pages or any number of pages continuously you can scan. Finally, you have to check your scanned documents. So it will look like this. When you check the documents, some documents may be in poor. in portrait mode. Some documents may be in landscape, that means in vertical or horizontal position. You have to click rotate, and then finally you can click save as PDF. The file will be saved in your mobile. You can also save it in Google Drive. Then you have to come back to Google Classroom again. Why? There you have to upload your answer sheets, the scanned PDF answer sheet in Google Form. So there you can see Google Form link, click it. Then the Google Form will appear like this. At the top you can see 176, that is the college code, Government Polytechnic College for Women. The college code is 176. Then section A, CE1 means Communication English 1. Then assignment 1. So here they will ask you to enter your email address. Then institute code, it's already given there, 176. Then register number, one register number will be allotted to you. You have to type that register number. Then after typing that, the very next one is name of the student. You have to type your name in full caps as per your 10th mark sheet. Then subject code. For this particular paper, the subject code is 40011. After entering all these particulars, you see the final one is uploading your answer script. You have already scanned and saved in your mobile. So click add file. Automatically it will take from your device. It will ask select files from your device. You can also go for, you can click more. There it will show my drive option. So your file saved in Google Drive can be taken here. So after clicking that scanned assignment, you can upload it here. Then the page will look like this. Then finally you can click submit. That's all. This is all about how to submit your assignment in Google Classroom. Remember, the same procedures will be useful to you. You are going to follow the same procedures while you attend CAT 1 exam, that is to start from December 1st. The only difference is here you are downloading the question paper for assignment. There you will be downloading the question paper for your exam, CAT 1. And here also you are scanning the assignment pages. There in the exam, CAT 1 exam also, you will be scanning your answer sheets. Then here also you are filling your Google form. In CAT 1 exam also, you are going to fill a similar Google form. And finally, you are going to attach your answer sheets. After uploading your answer scripts, you have to click submit. So more or less, the procedures will be the same. That's all about how to submit your assignment in Google Classroom and how to attend your CAT exam. Thank you.